Kashmiris on both sides of the line of control and the world over will observe the accession to Pakistan Day tomorrow, the 19th July, with a renewed pledge to continue the struggle for Jammu and Kashmir's liberation from Indian occupation and its complete merger with Pakistan. According to Kashmir Media Service, it was on 19th July in 1947 that the genuine representatives of the Kashmiris unanimously passed the resolution of Kashmir's accession to Pakistan during a meeting of the All Jammu and Kashmir Muslim Conference at the residence of Sardar Muhammad Ibrahim Khan in Abi Guzar area of Srinagar. The APHC leaders, including its General Secretary Maulvi Bashir Ahmed Irfani, Dr. Musaib, Jammu and Kashmir Muslim League, Jammu and Kashmir People's League, and Jammu and Kashmir Muslim Conference, while terming July 19 as an important milestone in the history of Jammu and Kashmir, said it was on this day in 1947, almost a month before Pakistan came into being, the Kashmiri people associated their political future with Pakistan. They maintain that the Kashmiris will not rest till Jammu and Kashmir attains freedom from Indian slavery and becomes part of Pakistan. Rejecting brutal policies being pursued by Modi regime in the occupied territory, the leaders urged the Kashmiri people to unite and resist New Delhi's evil designs to suppress the freedom struggle. They also appealed to the world community, particularly the United Nations, to table cognizance of India's illegal actions and its aggressive policies in the occupied territory and help resolve the Kashmir dispute as per the Kashmiris' wishes and the UN resolutions. Meanwhile, an analytical report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today revealed that over 5 lakh Kashmiris have laid down their lives to free their motherland from Indian yoke and its accession to Pakistan during the last over 7 decades. It said Indian troops in their continued acts of state terrorism have martyred over 96,000 Kashmiris, including 7,245 in custody since January 1989 till date. The report said the troops have subjected over 8,000 Kashmiri youth to custodial disappearance, molested over 11,255 women, and destroyed as many as 1,10,486 houses during the period, while over 4,000 Kashmiris still remain lodged in different jails of the occupied Jammu and Kashmir and India. However, the report added these acts of barbarities have not been able to break the will of the Kashmiri people, and they are determined to carry on their struggle to achieve their cherished dream of freedom. On the other hand, an Indian Army captain and a junior commissioned officer were killed, and 4 other troops were injured in a grenade blast in Mentor area of Poonch district. The deceased have been identified as Captain Anand and Naib Subedar Bhagwant Singh.